Orangutan Rehabilitation Center. Good morning from Forest Edge Resort. I arrived late night last night, so I didn't make any video of arrival, but everything was simply smooth. I get dropped off on mile 14 and from then they pick us up for 5 ringgit and drive us to the resort, which was like 3 kilometers, about 5-minute drive. Got like 20-minute walk to see the monkeys, the famous orangutans of Sepilok. Let me shortly tell you about the resort. This resort is just amazing. It's right at the jungle. The jungle is all around the resort. Everything super fancy, nice restaurant, swimming pool, free breakfast, welcome drink for price of $11 per night per dorm. And you're sharing everything with the people who's paying a lot of money for the rooms, which is super cool. After like not even 20 minutes of slow walk, we are here, Sepilok Orangutan Rehabilitation Center. I'm walking to RainForest Research Center. It should be some canopy walk, some walk around the lake, and it should be basically some educational place. Let's learn something about rainforest. So for the entrance, the Rainforest Discovery Center was 15 ringgit. And what is really cool about the rainforest, they got some serious size of leaves. I'm just entering the first canopy and we are at the Rainforest Trail. Taking the longest trail that you can take over here without a permit. Get out of the jungle right at time because it started raining. Still got like 200 meters to go. Some Kerning cafe. And I'm ready for some water, cigarette and coffee. And hopefully it will not rain even harder than now. It will be 5 minutes later. I will be cooking right. Got some water, coffee and some kuchai ping, iced lime. It's all. It's actually really good, nice and refreshing. Hopefully the ice will not give me dirty belly. It's gonna be some Malaysian belly, Borneo belly, whatever belly. So good morning from Sepilok. I got second day over here. There is not much things to see other than sun bears. This is the last attraction of this place. So I don't really know what to expect, how the sun bear looks like. It should be small cute bears rescued from the rainforest. God, they are little tiny bears, they are so cute. You almost feel like you want to pet them and play with them, but the claws are pretty big, so it's not a really good idea. And it's also really nice to see them in nature. It's different than the zoo. Okay, so that was it from the Sun Bear Sanctuary. It was kinda small, but really nice to see those bears in a natural environment, and really sad to find out why they are there. It's because of deforestation. People have them as a pet. People had them on a menu. Are you fucking kidding me? Eating the bears? Turtles? Bears? Do you have to eat everything what's alive? I am the Sepilok Forest Edge Resort. This is the place to be if you are in a Sepilok. For like $11 a bed. They have swimming pool, breakfast, really good, but really good restaurant with amazing vegetarian food. And like everything what you can ask for is here. I really love Borneo. This is like super cool place. Actually one of the best I ever been. Only sad thing about this is this palm tree, palm oil, which is really disgusting. It's used in lots of cosmetics and food as the main ingredients. It's not healthy at all, and it's a reason for large deforestation. Because for the money, the people just cutting down the forest and planting the palm oil trees, which is really sad and disgusting. They're killing the animal and burning orangutans. So please avoid the palm oil as much as you can, or don't eat anything with the palm oil in it. Instead of that, eat some coconuts. They're a lot healthier, a lot better, and better for environment. And I'm leaving Borneo and I'm going to meet my lovely girlfriend in Singapore. So departures, and we're flying to Davao.